Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: battery charged, lens attached, and AF mode set. First, switch the lens and body to AF. Choose one shot for static subjects or servo for movement. Then select a single central focus point so the camera locks precisely where you want. Once done, set a wide aperture to reduce depth of field and help the camera hunt less. Make sure you're close enough for the lens's minimum focus distance so the mechanism can engage immediately. Now you'll diagnose and fine-tune. First, try live view at 100% magnification to check whether the image can be focused manually. This tells you if the issue is mechanical or AF related. Next, power off and gently clean the lens and camera contacts. Dust or corrosion often interrupts communication. Then test another lens or the same lens on a different Canon body to see which part is at fault. If the camera focuses in live view, but not, finish by applying fixes in order. Reset AF settings to factory defaults to clear miscalibrations, then update camera and lens firmware to the latest versions. Reattach the lens and test using autofocus on a high-contrast subject. Make small AF micro-adjustments if your body supports them. If problems persist, the lens may need calibration or the camera's AF sensor may require service. Quick troubleshooting tip: if focus is front or back heavy only at certain distances, record those distances and mention them to service for targeted micro-adjustment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.